This is your daily glimpse of science.
Hey, look at that beautiful iron sword that has just been forged in fire. She is glowing so proudly.
Did you know that besides glowing, hot objects can also hum softly? The rapid jitters of particles in the hot objects help create the sound.
I never noticed the humming before. Can humans hear it too?
It would just sound like radio static to humans if their ears were keen enough to hear it.
So how did you know about the humming?
I overheard the humans talking about a new thermometer called an acoustic thermometer, which can take the temperatures of hot objects using sounds.
How does that work?
The device is made up of a sheet of silicon nitride because it can transmit sound waves better than air. It can sense the sounds that the nearby objects emanate when they get hot. The intensities of the sounds increase as the objects get hotter. Look at this photo.
What is it?
In this photo on a chip's surface, the sheet of silicon nitride is in the center detecting sound waves from the hot epoxy blobs, which are the ovals at top, bottom, left, and right. When the physicists heat the epoxy blobs with laser, sound waves came from the epoxy, causing a ripple effect from the chip to the sheet, which made the sheet to vibrate. By measuring the angle of reflection of the laser beam, the researchers could track the sheet's vibrations to take the temperatures of the epoxy blobs.
I wonder what application this new device could be implemented in.
The scientists are thinking of implementing this new thermometer in quantum computing devices, which require to be operated at lower temperatures.
Oh, it's my turn in the fire. Wish me luck.
Awesome! Just make sure you glow brightly and hum beautifully when you get out of the forge.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.